Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'll share you how to make money online easy at home to Shopify. I think USA based online earning platform Shopify. So you choose one browser, then search best way to make money Shopify. Okay, best way to make money Shopify. So how to make money online on Shopify? I will open this. Okay, first check it. How to make money on Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platform on the market. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that's ever increasing popularity, especially and customers shift online shopping. And you know this Shopify is e-commerce based platform more and more. Whether you want to exciting small business that you are looking to bring online, if you are looking to make money with Shopify through a new venture, there are few different ways to do it. We will cover how to make money on Shopify using its tool, service, everything here. Just check it. What is Shopify? Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platform that enables merchants to sell product online through intuitive interface that integrates with most exciting website hosted, providing the seamless transition from company homepage state their digital from some article here. Shopify Lite fees, everything WordPress cost and basic Shopify. You will check this website, everything here, almost guide how to use Shopify, how to earn money, everything here. So I'll quit this website and I will open 29 creative ways to make money with on the site 2020. How to make money with Shopify in 2020. You just open some website. Okay, 7 ways to you can use Shopify to make money online. Hacker noon 7 business ideas that will actually make money online Shopify. I'll open this. Okay, uh, 29 ideas for how to start a small business online in 2020. Running a small business definitely has its appeal, but it also comes with its own challenge of it. The truth is, starting business of any kind hard work will, some may think, for the internet get rich quick semi basics business principles safely apply in this guide. Will guide you step by step how to start online small business with Shopify. Okay, I think this website based for you researching how to make money easy at home online like with Shopify. Okay, it's reality online just channel. So here on video 9 based online ideas. I'll quit this website. 25 easy ways to make money online with Shopify. Shopify embeds the process behind 100k dollar plus per month. Okay, I'll check this and share with you. Steam's SEO dot dropshipping. Okay, dropshipping guide how to start using Shopify. Among e-commerce has become a popular way to make money online as Hoge trend since last year. But why e-commerce has always exit, but it is become an easy and fast way to make money nowadays. People to here everything here. You can check this last week. Sorry, today, yesterday, this month, and this week. This guy made total sale 26, total sale 200 plus. Okay. Hoge earning just 1 week. It's amazing. You can check this website and read all article. It's definitely help you, and if you read full article and if you work hardly, I think you can make money easily with Shopify.